What's up and welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. Today I woke up craving cinnamon buns. Well, every day I wake up craving cinnamon buns, but today I actually decided to make them and share the recipe with you. Now, these are not just ordinary cinnamon buns. Today I've got chocolate coconut buns. Look at these fluffy clouds of chocolate bliss. If you are intimidated by making yeast recipes, stay tuned because I'm going to show you just how easy it can be to make fluffy bakery-style cinnamon buns at home. And for those who don't like chocolate or coconut for that matter, I do have a variation on the written blog post at gretchensveganbakery.com for traditional cinnamon buns, but the mix method and the rolling of the dough is all the same no matter what you decide to fill them with. But for me today I needed some chocolate, so check out this recipe. You will need flour, dry active yeast, 2 measures of coconut water or half coconut water and half coconut milk, cinnamon, nutmeg, salt, granulated sugar, and vegan butter. Add a pinch of sugar to the 1 measure of the coconut water and then add the yeast. Let it stand for about 5 minutes to prove that it is alive. And boy, was mine ever alive! Look at the frothy, amazing yeasty concoction I've got here. Now get everything into the mixer bowl, and yes, I am using my mixer for this one, but honestly, you can mix it all by hand. You could just skip the gym that day if you do. Add in the softened vegan butter and let it mix on low until it's all incorporated. You may have to give it a little bit of help, and then mix it on medium speed for about 8 minutes until it has developed into a soft dough that no longer sticks to the sides. This is where you may have to add a tablespoon or 2 of flour to help get it to the right consistency. At this point, I do like to turn it out and knead it by hand for about 20 to 30 strokes. Then place it in a lightly oiled bowl to rise double in size. In the meantime, get your chocolate schmear ready. Yes, I said schmear. Add the first measure of sugar to the cocoa powder, and then the other measure of sugar went to make a simple syrup. Add the hot simple syrup to the cocoa and mix to a paste. By now, the bun dough is doubled, and you can roll it out to about 12 inches by 20 inches. Give or take, it doesn't really have to be perfect. Spread the chocolate paste over the entire dough and then a generous sprinkling of coconut. Roll it up into a log, be sure to pinch those ends to seal it, and then cut it into 12 pieces. I'm baking mine today in a cast iron skillet lightly sprayed with oil, and then let them rise one more time until they are fluffy and puffy and starting to touch each other. Then get them into a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for just about 25 to 30 minutes. Just check the center bun to make sure that they are not still raw and doughy, and you're almost there. Cool them just slightly and then a nice slathering of sugar glaze. So there you go guys, cinnamon buns made easy and delicious. Chocolate and coconut or traditional cinnamon style. Go ahead and grab all the recipes at gretchensveganbakery.com, and until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.